Technology has completely changed how we do things. We no longer hail taxis. We tap a button and a ride arrives. We don't rent movies from a store. We stream them instantly from a digital library. We don't carry cash. We pay with a phone in seconds. It's seamless, fast, and effortless. But when it comes to crypto and blockchain, things aren't quite so simple. For most people, crypto feels complicated. There are too many steps, too many risks, and too many ways to make a mistake. The biggest issue? Blockchains don't talk to each other. Right now there are thousands of blockchains, each operating in its own separate world. Want to send Bitcoin to someone using Ethereum? You can't. At least, not directly. Instead, you have to swap your tokens on an exchange. Choose the right blockchain network. Double-check every single detail. And if you make one mistake, your assets could be lost forever. This isn't just frustrating, it's one of the biggest reasons why mass adoption of crypto has been so slow. It shouldn't be this complicated. There has to be a better way. And there is. Introducing Akasha. What is Akasha? Akasha is a Layer 0 blockchain, the foundation that connects all blockchains together. Think of it like the global internet for blockchain, a technology that makes it possible for different blockchains to communicate, exchange assets, and work together seamlessly. With Akasha, blockchains are no longer isolated islands. They become part of a single connected network. What does this mean for you? No more worrying about which blockchain your assets are on. No more complicated token swaps. No more risking your crypto due to network mistakes. Because Akasha does all the work for you. How does Akasha benefit you? Let's say you want to send Bitcoin to a friend, but they don't want Bitcoin. They want USDT. With the traditional crypto system, you'd have to 1. Swap Bitcoin for USDT on the exchange. 2. Choose the right network. 3. Pay fees and wait for the transaction to process. One wrong move and you could send your funds to the wrong network, losing them forever. With Akasha, it's different. You send Bitcoin. Your friend receives USDT automatically. No extra steps, no complicated conversions, no network selection errors. It's instant, secure, and seamless. Exactly how crypto should work. And now, it does. How Akasha changes everything. For years, crypto adoption has been slow. Not because people don't want to use it, but because the experience is just too complicated. Think about it. Would you use a banking app if it required 10 extra steps just to send money? Would you order food from an app that made you manually enter server addresses? No, you'd expect it to just work. And that's what Akasha brings to crypto. No more confusing swaps. No more struggling with incompatible wallets. No more lost transactions. With Akasha, anyone, even someone with zero crypto experience, can send and receive digital assets as easily as sending a text message. This isn't just an improvement, it's a revolution. Why Akasha is the future? The crypto world is growing, but for it to truly go mainstream, it needs to be simple, intuitive, and accessible. Akasha is the missing piece, the technology that bridges the gap between blockchain's potential and real-world usability. Now anyone can use crypto without even thinking about how it works, because that's how technology should be. The future starts now. The future of blockchain isn't complicated, it's seamless, it's intuitive, it's Akasha. No more barriers, no more confusion, just crypto simplified. And the future starts now. Akasha, the blockchain that works for you.